How you doing, ladies and gentlemen?
Bought all our parts for us over here. We're gonna be changing.
You get ready to do something. What's that game, the old school? Something scoring it up.
All right, very important, guys. Make sure.
I'm just saying.
I'm gonna try your way though. It seems like it's easier.
I don't know.
But this one
Back out of the way, you have a little more room, but you can also get you some mechanics wire.
Always
You
start at
record it.
number-
You record
Always
it.
start at number 1 from the front cylinder. Number 1.
Did you not just see how I had it? Well, you done lost all your money for the day. You gonna mess around, we be working for free the next 2 weeks.
Marcus. Let's see what's over here. What you got?
Oh, what am I doing? Oh, there you go, huh?
That is kind of tight.
No,
right?
I got your tightness watch there.
For that man, 'cause
But
it
I
goes in there.
I don't want that.
Why? Well, I guess it's good. So just $20, Marcus.
Y'all shut up.
All right. All right. What you?